Welcome back to the biggest crypto show you will find anywhere, except it's not biggest and it's not even a show, it's just chart. But it's what we do and love the best. Arbitrum. Ladies and gentlemen, today, yes, for the first time, we are talking about the daily chart of Arbitrum, ARB. Subscriber requested it. Hello to you. And here we are. Never in the history of this channel I looked into this coin, but here comes the time daily chart. What's to see? Well, this is looking nasty. This is capitulation of this consolidation before the waterfall. And yeah, volume is showing us that it was a capitulation because we had a much bigger volume on the day of the capitulation. Does this mean that the downfall is over? That's what you want to know. Well, it doesn't. It could be over, but judging by the look of those two candles, it still isn't. Because this is now consolidation maybe before the bleed out, not much lower, but it seems to me that we could be going lower, not in this volatile manner, but in something more boring. What am I talking about? Here is the example. Can you spot the brother of those two candles? Yes, you are right, the brother is here. The same price action after the consolidation, violent move to the downside with a bigger volume, and then slow bleeding to the downside. This is exactly what we could be facing in the next couple of days in Arbitrum. If this coin can't show more strength, this is what will happen, because people will, out of fear of a move like this, doing this, slowly getting out. To show you the most significant level in ARB, we need to zoom out like this. And just like this, you are spotting the level of 91 cents. There you go. This level will give us obviously the most problem when we do get bullish, when we try to negate this pump to the downside. We're currently at 79, but 91 cents, as you can see here, was a very fierce support, and here after the battle we lost it. So I don't want to go into big details, because if you don't break this level and this level that I gave you just as a first stepping stone, 91 cents is not that close to 79, but this line that served as support is now our problem. Why? The price was sliding down on it, well, on many occasions, here for example, and now what the price did, what we did with this violent move to the downside, we broke below it. Vice versa, I'm sorry to say, but this line could now be our resistance. All in all, even after zooming in, you can see the narrative and the pressure that past support is now giving as resistance. So what's the meaning of it? Meaning of this, be careful with ARB right now. Yes, we had a big pullback. Yes, you could be buying into it. But are you ready for some lower prices and a slow recovery? If not, be careful, because that's exactly what could be happening at this moment. This line is giving me a pretty straight story regarding what's happening and what could be happening in the coming weeks. First, we need to break this, then that 91 cents, and then talk in a different manner until you can achieve that, or in the most simple language that can be found about this technical analysis, break above my band of 21 moving average days, you're screwed. And this is exactly everything, as always, that I have to say regarding technical analysis. All the way from this point. I'm not talking some happenings here. I'm talking here. I'm talking that all the way from example, if you don't want to use those candles, here. From the mere end of July, we had a shortcoming of move like this. We were below it and never, not even here, we managed to stay above it. So, at this moment, this band is standing at 89 cents, but it's very fast going to the downside. So there is a lot of room between 79 and 89, but if you cannot regain this level as a support, ladies and gentlemen, all the technical analysis that I can give you is futile. First, for ARB to recover, this line in the sand needs to be regained. So practically I could make all of my video below 1 minute and tell you that ARB at the moment is bearish, and that at the moment in this short-term picture you should watch the charts, stay on the sideline, and monitor the price action in the coming days. Stay safe, listen to Dinosaur, and click on this video he's suggesting you.